why I think a brokerage account is better than an annuity is due to tax efficiency. So income or withdrawals from annuities, as I said earlier, are taxed as ordinary income, unless you annuitize the annuity. Now, annuitizing means that you give up control of the principal and you agree to get a monthly payment for the rest of your life. So most people don't do that. Most people just take withdrawals from an annuity as they need the money. So let's just say, for example, you have an annuity that you put in $50,000 and it's now grown to $100,000. And you're now getting ready to retire and you want to take out $10,000 a year from that annuity. Well, every time you take out $10,000, it's most likely going to be taxed as ordinary income. So that $10,000, because you're taking out your gains first, until you get down to the initial investment of $50,000, you're taking out gains. So every withdrawal would be taxed as ordinary income. If we contrast that with, let's say you put $50,000 in a stock index fund, like SPLG is a S&P 500 index fund, and that grew to $100,000, and you want to take out $10,000, that's taxed as a capital gain. So it's possible that that capital gain could be taxed at a lower rate. For many people, that's going to be the case. So your taxes are always going to depend upon your tax bracket. So let's just say you're in the 22% tax bracket, and you take that $10,000 out from your annuity, you're going to pay 22% federal tax on that $10,000 because it's all ordinary income. If instead that was a $10,000 capital gain and you are in the 22% tax bracket, there's currently a cap of 15% on capital gains for people in the 22% tax bracket. So you get about a 7% tax savings there. If you want to check out the remaining reasons why I think a brokerage account is a much better investment option than an annuity, please click my picture below to watch the video.